Going up the big steps, Evie.
Oh, I think I've seen a video of this on Post the Crazies. Go, little lady.
It better not be a fucking loud one. I fucking hate the loud one.
You shit yourself, will ya?
No, it's just fucking annoying. No, I think they're literally.
Wait a minute, Bubby.
When the stairs is just a loud noise, I think they're going to work. I like it when
Evie, wait.
Creepy.
What the hell? Oh yeah, look. Evie, wait! Evie!
Slow down. It's going to be scary anyway.
Oh, downstairs now. Do not run, it says. Look, come here, give me your hand.
Oh, Dad, there's going to be long steps.
Hand. Oh, there is, look. There's stuff up here.
Is there? Oh, finally.
Yeah. Ooh, look.
Oh, it's a skeleton head, Dad.
Alex, have you pooed
Oh, look,
yourself
it's moving
yet?
then. Look at it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's the breeze, but...
Yeah, well, it wasn't bad enough, innit?
Where the hell? Oh, I couldn't see where we was going. Little Evie's there. Man, this is a really narrow corridor.
You know, that could have been artificial breeze, to be fair, that you don't know.
Oh, where are we going now?
Oh, she's right in front of you.
Wait a minute. Now we're on this bit. Ah, look. Yeah, now we're in the middle. There's Freddy Krueger.
It's a bit flat on the back.
Keep going. Right, oh, now we're going down some steps. Whoa.
Oh, they made this for fucking dwarfs, didn't they? They made it for Evie.
Oh, look.
She's going proper.
There's an orange dude there.
Where is it? It looks like a monkey.
Oh god, there's lots of stuff around here, look. I don't know. I mean,
where do you even go?
I really don't scream in my ear. Oh, look.
Oh, it's supposed to be a Dracula.
Oh, wait a minute, you got to step up. I didn't realise. We're on like a bridge.
Above what?
I don't know.
Halloween decorations, that's what we're on. What, the building's balance, is it?
It's really hard to walk on.
I think that's the point, it's supposed to be like a bridge.
Like... Find my footing.
Oh!
That's scary. It did go right off by our ears, didn't it, Babby?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that good? I think we're finished.